Success doesn't come easy, especially in Bollywood. Behind the fame, glamour, and red carpets are stories of pain, rejection, and relentless perseverance. These 10 Bollywood actors were rejected, ridiculed, and even written off, but they refused to give up. 1. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Before he became a critically acclaimed actor, Nawazuddin worked as a watchman. He was rejected repeatedly for his looks and accent. But with roles in Gangs of Wasipur, The Lunchbox, and Sacred Games, he proved that talent always finds a way. 2. Amitabh Bachchan. The Shahenshah of Bollywood was once rejected by All India Radio because of his voice. Casting directors said he was too tall and lacked screen presence. Today, his baritone is iconic and his journey is legendary. 3rd, Shah Rukh Khan. SRK came to Mumbai with no connections and no godfather. He was rejected for not being hero material and was told he didn't have the looks. But with pure charisma and hunger, he rose to become the king of Bollywood. 4. Vidya Balan. Vidya was rejected from several films for being not glamorous enough. She was even dropped from South Films midway. But she broke all stereotypes and became a powerhouse performer with films like Kahani and The Dirty Picture. 5. Rajkumar Rao. Casting agents told him he didn't have the face for cinema, but Rajkumar trained harder, transformed himself, and now shines in both commercial and indie films like Newton and Stree. 6. Manoj Bajpayee. Manoj was rejected by the National School of Drama 3 times. Many said he lacked the X factor, but his performance in Satya changed Indian cinema forever. 7. Kangana Ranaut. Coming from a small town in Himachal, she faced ridicule for her accent and appearance. Today, she's a national award-winning actress known for her fierce roles and unshakable will. 8. Ayushmann Khurrana. Before fame, Ayushmann faced over 5 years of rejections. He was told he was too ordinary to be a hero. But with Vicky Dona and Andhadhun, he redefined what it means to be a leading man. 9. Boman Irani. Boman started his film career in his 40s. Before that, he was a photographer and a waiter. People laughed at his dream. But roles in Munna Bhai MBBS and 3 Idiots proved age is just a number. 10. Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee was constantly judged for not fitting into Bollywood's typical heroine mold, but she took on bold, meaningful roles, carving a space for herself with films like Pink and Tapad. Rejection isn't the end, it's the beginning. These stars are proof that with passion, grit, and persistence, even the harshest no can turn into history's loudest yes. If you're feeling lost today, remember, every big dream once faced rejection.